Miss Jellybean was teaching fractions with her usual giant smile and purple wig. Suddenly, Timmy raised a finger to his nose. "Uh-oh, I'm gonna sneeze." Everyone froze. Miss Jellybean backed away. "Please, not again." Ah. A gust of cartoon wind blasted from Timmy's mouth. His chair flipped. Papers flew. Miss Jellybean's purple wig launched into the air like a rocket. The room was chaos, books flying, chalkboard shaking, kids ducking under desks. The wig spun high above everyone, twisting, flipping, then landed perfectly on top of the golden classroom trophy. Miss Jellybean stood bald and blinking under the lights. Silence. Then wild applause. Timmy stood proudly with a tissue. Miss Jellybean bowed. "Thank you, thank you." Confetti rained from the ceiling. A kid whispered, "Best sneeze ever." Miss Jellybean winked. "Next week, volcano science?"